So welcome to SURVAE. So in this video we're going to demonstrate how to upload images. So images can be uploaded from iPhones, Android devices, action cameras including the GoPro Hero 5 and 6, which are both GPS enabled, the Garmin VIRB line of cameras, going back to the Elite and then the XE and Ultra 30, UAVs, the DJI line of drones, and any other camera or UAV that includes GPS data within its imagery. So the first thing you have to do is make sure that you're signed in. So in this case, we're signed into the SURVAE account. We can either click the blue upload arrow, or we can just drag and drop our files directly into the map. So in this case, we'll go ahead and drag and drop a file. Now this comes up because we're connected to more than one account, and it's just verifying that we really do want to upload it into the SURVAE account. If you're connected to only one account, it would bypass this. So we'll just go ahead and click continue, and the video or the image will go ahead and upload, and it will process, and it automatically is mapped, and now we have an image result. And we can see that it's located in Wilmington, North Carolina, and we have the date when it was captured. And if I click this pin and you look over on the map, you can see the blue circle that tells us where this image is now located. And if I click on this pin, it's going to zoom in to see exactly where this is. So we'll go ahead and click on it. And so we can see that this is located right on the street, and we can go ahead and let's change the map to something that gives us a little more context. And we can go ahead and zoom in, and we can see that this was located in the street, on Front Street in Wilmington. And if you look at the buildings that are around here, and then if I were to hover over this, you can see that this is in fact where this image was captured. And there's a little orange tail that hangs off of this diamond, and that shows us the direction that the camera was pointing when it captured this this image. So this building right here, you can see in the right hand side of the image. And so it's a really neat and easy way to upload and manage all of your imagery content for anywhere in the world.